Let me guess. Everyone around you is talking about AI, and you're nodding along, hoping no one asks you a question. AI conversations are everywhere right now, at work, online, at parties, in interviews. And the problem isn't that you don't use AI, it's that sounding informed feels like you need a computer science degree. Good news, you don't. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to take part in AI conversations confidently, using the same mental shortcuts actual experts use. No jargon dumps, no fake confidence. Just smart, grounded ways to talk about AI. Here's the secret most people don't realize. Experts don't sound smart because they know everything. They sound smart because they know what matters and what doesn't. If you learn how experts frame AI, you'll immediately stand out. Quick test. If your last AI conversation started with, "I tried ChatGPT," you already lost. Let me explain why. Beginners talk about tools. Experts talk about capabilities and constraints. Instead of, "I use ChatGPT to write something," say, "What's interesting is how generative models are changing knowledge work." Same topic, completely different signal. Here's the part most people miss. You only need 5 ideas to sound fluent in 90% of AI conversations. Let's break them down, simply. First idea, models versus applications. The model is the brain. The app is just the interface. Experts say things like, "The real innovation isn't the app, it's what the underlying model can now do." That one sentence tells people you understand the stack. If someone starts listing AI tools, don't compete. Just ask, is this built on a general model or something fine-tuned? Instant credibility. Second idea, training versus inference. Training is expensive, slow, and rare. Inference is fast, and what most companies actually do. Try saying, most companies aren't training models, they're figuring out how to use them efficiently. That's an expert sentence. Now let's talk about the word everyone throws around, but few explain correctly. Hallucinations. AI doesn't know facts. It predicts likely answers. So hallucinations aren't a bug you can fix. They're a trade-off of probabilistic systems. Say this, hallucinations are manageable but not fully eliminable. That's how experts frame it. If AI never made mistakes, we wouldn't need humans. That's not failure, that's design. Fourth idea, context windows. More context means better reasoning, memory, and usefulness. Expert line, longer context windows are quietly one of the biggest breakthroughs. It sounds niche, it's actually huge. Last idea, automation versus augmentation. AI rarely replaces people overnight. It changes how people work. Say this, the real value today is augmentation, not replacement. That framing instantly lowers hype and raises trust. Notice something? Experts talk about trade-offs, not magic. Let's steal that habit. Use phrases like, the trade-off here is, this works well until, the limitation right now is, example, AI is great for drafts, but once accuracy matters, humans stay in the loop. That's expert energy. You don't need answers, you need better questions. Ask, where does this break? What happens at scale? What's the cost of being wrong? People remember the questions. Silence after a good question? That's respect. You don't need to read everything, just ask. What can AI do today that it couldn't 6 months ago? That single question keeps you relevant. Real experts care about reliability, cost risk, human impact. Talk about constraints, not hype, and people will trust you. If this helped you feel more confident about AI conversations, like the video, subscribe, and comment. What AI topic do you want to sound smarter about next? I'll see you in the next one.